Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, January 3, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 3, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 582 million pesos, and tonight's jackpot price of Mega Lotto 645 is 100 million pesos for January 3, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.